Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about string data types and concatenation. So Alex here has a piece of paper with the word hello written on it. In programming, a string is a sequence of characters like this word, which is hello, and you'll see that there are double quotes around it. So let's add another string called world. Now, when we have two strings, we're going to surround both of them with our double quotes, but then we can also join them together. And when we join something together or concatenate, these two strings become a single string of hello world. Now in Python, you can use the plus operator or you can use a comma. Now the comma only exists inside print. So the plus symbol will concatenate strings together. So it's going to take the hello and the world, join it together into one sentence. So plus will concatenate those strings. The comma in print does something a little bit more. What it does is it takes all of the things we've given it, turns them all into strings, so it casts them into a string data type, and then it concatenates them together. But this is only possible when you are using the print statement in Python. If you're using input or you're using anything else, you do need to use the plus to concatenate. So let's have a look and see how this looks with a little bit more of a complicated print statement. So here we have three pieces of text, so three strings, and inside or between them we are concatenating these with the values of some variables, and these variables are called this month and percentage. So what we're trying to do here is to create a long string based on the value of those two variables. So in the first print statement, I've used the comma, and you can see I can just put the variable names in there because it will turn everything into a string and then it will concatenate them together. In the second version, I've used the plus, which just concatenates. And because this month and percentage are both integer variables, I'm going to have to use the str, so str or string, to cast each of those numbers into a string and then use the plus to concatenate them together. So a string data type in programming is a word or a phrase, or it is a sequence of characters, letters, numbers that come from your keyboard. And we can then join those strings together using concatenation.